So what I bought here is this little Black & Decker sander for 20 quid. What you do, so put this pad velcros on the bottom. It's a little hand sander, because today we start on the table top. So this is the plan. Also got some of these. Some extra sanding pads in case I need them. Here's the table turned around. What I've done, so we've started to sand off. There's a bit that's been sanded, a bit that hasn't. See, this side here hasn't been done. This side isn't. It's taking a while. I'm just going to replace. This has got quite knackered. I've got a new one. Something like that. The holes are lined up. We'll start again. Okay, so a good few hours into it, and this is how it's looking. Pretty good. So it's all sanded. This is the piece I've got to do next. So this is the difference in colour. So it's pretty dusty. I'm pretty dusty. It's alright, it's just trying to get rid of these like little marks. There's a few damagey bits here, but I don't think it really matters. So not looking too bad. Okay, so I've done one of the bits that you put in, I don't know what it's called, leaves. One more to go, and then we're done. It doesn't take too long really, it's come out quite nicely. So that one's done, that one's not. So we're nearly there for sanding, I think. Just gotta, there we go. Well done, me.